Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today's video is 11 years on a plant-based diet, what I eat in a day. I'm going to share what I'm eating today. And right now it's noontime. I'm headed over for my workout. Today's workout, I'm going to be running the Butte. It's not very long. It's only a couple of miles, but it's like straight up and then straight down. So really gets the heart going. And then I'm going to be heading over to Costco to pick up a few things, and then I'll show you what I'm eating. But as usual, I'm fasted right now. I had a couple of liters of water throughout the morning. I do all of my workouts fasted, and I'll probably end up breaking my fast around 1:32 p.m. today and wrap things up around 7 p.m. So I'll have a good probably 5-hour eating window. And yeah, so I got to get a few things from Costco. Just got a huge watermelon from the farmer's market. It's delicious. It's Yumi watermelon. They're the best I've ever had. They're the dark watermelons. They're Yumi, Y-U-M-I. So if they have those around where you live, check them out. I think they're grown in Washington, which is not too far. Right now we got about a month left of summer. We got September, and then we're going into the cold for about 8 months until we hit June. So I'm savoring every moment here in Bend, Oregon. Been going in the river, went in a lake the other day, and just been enjoying the water and the warm weather. So headed to do my workout, show you what I'm getting from Costco if I end up going by there, and then I'll show you what I'm eating today as well. And stay tuned. There's the watermelon I got. This one is gonna be so good. So I just ran to the top of the Pilot Butte. Pretty clear day. Didn't get too much at Costco, but ended up getting some frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. Got some fresh blueberries, and then I got some walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and some almonds. Then I broke my fast at 2 p.m. with that watermelon. I broke it open. It's nice and juicy. It was pretty good. I give it about an 8 out of 10. Next up at 3 p.m., I put together a berry green smoothie. It had 2 cups of coconut water, 2 cups of fresh blueberries, 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, and a handful of spinach. Very enjoyable and very hydrating. Then at 4 p.m., I had a bowl of this Ezekiel cereal. It's a sprouted grain cereal, and I threw on a handful of walnuts. I threw on about 5 dates that I cut up, a couple of bananas, and some almond milk, and that was a delicious bowl of cereal. And there it is right there, once I put it all in the bowl and mixed it up. Then for dinner around 7 p.m., I had a few more pieces of the watermelon. Then I made a salad. It had mixed greens, tomatoes, dates, cucumber, avocado, and slivered almonds. And also a split pea vegetable Indian dish over rice. And for dessert, I had a couple of these flax chocolate brownies. And also, really quick, I want to mention I have a plant-based recipe ebook in the description box. Make sure you check that out. It's delicious recipes that I eat on a regular basis to keep me fit and healthy all year long. So thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye-bye.